Fine. Even for 2 into 30, you don't. For each and every factor, when you write, we call this as factors, students, factors. For each and every factor, you have to keep checking whether you get 11. For example, look here, 2 and 30. If I put both plus, what are we getting? If you add both, what are we getting? We're getting, if I subtract, what is 30 minus 2? 28. Are these numbers close to 11? I mean, are they 11? No. So you can't take that combination. As long as you get this combination, you have to keep finding the factors. Next, 3 into what gives 60? 3 into 20. What about 3 into 20? Does it give 11? No, right? No, it gives 17 and 23. Next, 4. 4 into 15. Tell me for 4 into 15. 4 into 15 gives, then take that value. Look here, 6x square as it is, minus 10 as it is. Take 4 first and 15. Then, along with this, what is the other number we have? What's the alphabet we have? X. Write this X both. Whatever alphabet is given in sum, you should write it. Next, what's the sign given? Before this 11, what's the sign? Okay, which is greater? 4 is greater or 15 is greater? So there you have to put plus. Is this clear? You have to put plus. Only two sums we have revised. Other things you have to solve. Okay, what sign should I put before 4 so that you get plus 11? Minus. What if I put plus here? 15 plus 4 becomes 19. 19 is wrong. Okay. So therefore it is minus. Yes. 5 into 6 is how much? I thought it is 30. 5 into 6. Ananya, right? 5 into 6 is 30, Ananya. 5 into 6 is 30. Oh. See, 4 into 50. Next, group them. You can write 4 like this, students, or you can even write 6x square plus 15x minus 4x minus 10. For both, you get the answer. Okay. Complete this question. Try this. Yes, you all complete it. Delisha, do you have any doubts? Look, students, concentrate. You'll have paid fees. 9th standard, 10th, 9th, 10th, it is tough. So don't be playful. Concentrate. If you'll have any doubts, get it clarified. Okay, so when I'm teaching, please don't leave the class. Write whatever I'm teaching. Try to solve it on your own. Done. Fine. Entire thing, Bhargavi, write it step by step. Try to do it on your own. Yes, sir. Okay, one more thing, when I'm teaching, don't write anything, students. Concentrate, listen what I explain, then you all can write it. And this is only when there are 3 terms. Remember, 3 terms, we use sum and product. Yeah, Delicia, tell me, how do you factorize this? Unmute the call and answer. What is common? What about numbers? Then in bracket. Good. Next. What's the first sign? Then. Okay. Why 5? What's the method we use to find HCF? 10. Then 5 3s and 5 2s are right. So 5 is common. In bracket, what do you get? Okay. Shall I write 3 and 2 like this? Is it correct? Tell me properly. 3x minus 2. After that, be quick, Delicia. Others are waiting. Be quick. After this, 3x minus 2, 2x plus 2. Into 2x plus? Into 2x plus 2. Yes. So you have to answer, okay? Each and every question you have to answer. You have to explain it to others. Okay, sir. Shall we try? Done? All of you are completed? Yes, sir. Okay, I'll mark 3 questions, students. The questions are 2 questions. See, 13th question. And one more thing. In 13th question, you might get given questions like this. 12x minus 4x whole square. Okay, which one you're supposed to write first? Tell me which one you're supposed to write. Minus 4x square. Minus 4x square, then? Minus 12x. Minus 12. Minus 12x and? 7. Plus 7 or minus 7? Plus 7. But here I'll tell you what the. Whenever you'll write like this, students, this minus 4x is given. You can write it like this. Okay, minus 4x, or you can even do it directly, no problem. You can multiply and do it directly. Now, the first value shouldn't be minus. The first value shouldn't be minus. You can convert all the signs. So first one will become positive. The second one, even second one is negative, right? Yes, sir. That will become positive. 7 is minus. 7 is plus. So 7 will become minus 7. You can even do it like this. You'll get the same answer. Okay, you can convert. Remember this. In 10th, most of the questions are like this, where they'll mix up the values and give. Whatever you study now, 50% will get repeated for 10th. All the basic concept. This will get repeated for next year. Okay, now try using the normal way. Remember, the degree 1 should always be in between. Sum should always be in between. 12x minus 12x. Product. What is product, Delicia? What is product here? Multiply the first and last. Be quick. What is the product? Yes, unmute the call, Delicia. Do you know or no? Yes, sir. Yeah, tell me then. If you don't know, you ask me, you let me know. I'll teach again. What is the product? Take the first and last one. What do you get? 7 fours are? Minus 28. What? Minus 28? X square? Then what's the next step? Tell me the next step. Yeah, tell me the next step. Others start doing it, students. Others can start. Others start solving it. Tell me, Delicia, you have to find the product, right? Which term you have to split here? The middle term will get split into 2 numbers. right? For that, you need to find the factors of product. What are the factors? 1 into 28 and 2 into? 14. Correct. 2 into 14. 3 doesn't go, right? Yes, sir. 4 into? 4 into what gives 28? 4 sevens are 28. Okay. 4 into 7 is not required. Is 1 into 28, are we getting 12? For 1, how come? For 1 into 28, how are you getting 12? Sit separately or attend Delisha. A lot of background noise. How are you concentrating then? Okay, sir. Yeah, tell me, Delisha, which one gives 12? 1 into 28 or 2 and 14 when you add and subtract? 2 and 14, sir. 2 and 14. Then what should I do next one? What's the next step? Which one remains as it is? 7 and minus 4x, correct. Next, 2 and 14. What's the alphabet given here? What's the alphabet? So put x, and what's the sign before 12? Where should I put that minus? No, before 14, right? Yes, that sign should be before 14. What should I put before 2 so that I get 12? Okay, why plus? Can you explain? Because it's a simple logic, Delicia. Or you just randomly you told plus minus. No, sir. And then what's the logic behind that? The middle term, what you have to get? What's the middle term? Minus 12, right? So, so if you put plus 2, what is 2 plus 2 minus 14? Minus 12. That's the reason you put plus. Understood? If you put minus, what do you get? 16. Minus 16 or plus 16? You get minus 16, right? So we don't need 16, we need 12. Correct. Complete it. Okay, is this the right way to do, students? Is this the right way, or do I need to arrange? Should I write 14 first? Yes, if you want rearrange. Why should I write 14 after 7? So that we get a common value, right? Yes. That's it. This is the logic. You do it directly, you still get the same answer. If you want, try both the ways and check. Okay, so you can do it directly. You don't have to convert. But only thing is, the middle term should have degree 1. The middle term. Seven is common. 1 minus 2x. Here, plus is the first sign. Always take the first sign out. 2 is common. X is common. You get same. 1 minus 2x. What's the final answer, students? 1 minus 2x into 7 plus 2x. Okay, nothing common. This is the final answer. Okay, if you have done with this, they have given one question in exam. They have given 19th one. Try the 19th, last one. Try the 19th question.
Done, sir.
19th one completed?
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes.
All of you done the 19th one? What do you get, students? Minus 45
X square.
x square. See, I'll tell you one more thing. The other way to do it. Stop writing. Stop writing. Look at the screen. Which one remains the same? Which one remains the same? The first and the last one, right? X square, y square, and minus 45. And in the middle, what are the values given, students? In between, what are the values given? What are these two? X and y, right? See here, write x and y as it is. We just need numbers. Alphabets doesn't change. Degree doesn't change nothing. Keep everything as it is. Just the sign and numbers. We need sign and numbers. Look here. Here you get minus 45. Fine. You get minus 45 for product. And for some you need minus 12. For some it is minus 12. What are the factors? 1 into 45. 2 doesn't go. 3 into 15. For 3 into 15 are we getting 12?
Yes, sir.
Getting 12, right? So what values should I write here? 3x, y and 15. The sign before 12 is minus, so put that in front of 15. Before 15 it should be minus. What sign should I put before 3, students, so that I get 12? Plus or minus? It is plus. Yes, correct. It's plus. Plus. Next, group this. What is common to them? What is common, student? Which one has lowest degree? X and y, right? So you get xy plus 3. Here minus. What is common to 15 and 45?
15.
Highest common factor. Highest common factor is 15, right? If you don't, do it like this. 15, 45. 5 3s are. 5 3s are 15, 5 9s are 45. 3 1s are, 3 3s are. Okay. 5 3s are 15. You have to multiply them. You get 15 common. In bracket, you get xy plus 3. See, it is almost the same, right? Isn't it same? Get the value same. The final answer is xy plus 3 into xy minus 15. Fine. After 12:40, I'll conduct. Take 5 minutes break. After that, we'll continue with the next exercise, 12:15. Not next chapter. Any doubts in this chapter? This exercise? Okay, this chapter is done. Revision. We'll continue after break. Fine. All 4 of you online? Bhargavi, Aileen, Ananya, Felicia.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Circumference, area and circumference of circle will start it next week. Okay, along with new topic. What's the new chapter they have started? Before exam, did they do any new chapter?
No, sir.
Okay, we'll revise this trigonometry. We'll complete trigonometry. Can you write the table without seeing? Can you write? You'll remember the table, students. You'll remember how to write. All 4 of you, you'll remember tables, trigonometry.
Yes.
Okay, tell me the order. What's the order? What are the different trigonometry ratios we have?
Sine, cos, tan,
Yes,
cos, sec, cosec.
cosec. In order. First write it. First write sine, cos, tan. See, first trigonometry is used for right angle, right? Sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, and we have cosec. Fine. What are the angles, students? Tell me the angles. What are the angles we have? 0 degree, 30, 45, 60, and 90. What are the sine values? All of you will unmute and answer the sine values. Tell me only the sine answer. Yes, respond. You don't remember sine? Sine values?
Zero.
No? 0 of
0, 1 by 2.
0, 1 by 0 of 1 by root 2.
1 by root 2, 2 by root 2, root 3 by 2.
What are you answering, Alicia? 2 by root 3, whatever you feel. 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and? Okay, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. Right? After this, See, trigonometry is very important for 9th and 10th students. So if you'll forget this, it's going to be tough. How do you get cost value? Be quick. How do you get cost value? Reciprocate, I mean reverse of sine value, right? 1. If not, I'll tell you one more thing. See, if you want to remember, if you want to do this, if you forget sine value, students, in exam, if you get sine value, write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Divide all this by 4. Divide it by 4. Divide by 4 and find the square root. Fine. See, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Divide everything by 4 and find the square root. What is 0 divided by 4? What is 0 divided by 4? 0. 0 divided by anything is 0. What is 1 divided by 4, students? Square root of 1 by 4 is?
1 by 2.
1 by 2. What about this one? 1 and 2 gets cancelled, right? What do you get? Square root of 1 by 2. What is square root of 1 by 2? You can write 1 by root 2. Right? The next one. What do you get? Root 3 divided by root 4. What is root 3 divided by root 4?
Root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2. That is how we are getting all these values. What is 4 divided by 4? 1. Are we getting these answers? These values?
Yes.
So this will take a lot of time to write it like this and find the answer. That's the reason I taught you a direct way. All you have to remember is 0 half 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. Right? If not, do it like this. Divide everything, write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, divide everything by 4 and find the square root. Find the root value, you'll get the answer. Fine. Now tell me the values again. Be quick. What are the values? 0, 1 by 2, root 3 by 2, 0 half 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2, next
3 by 2.
2 and 1. Okay, for cos all the reverse value. 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. Tan. Tell me for tans too, what are the two special formulas we have learned? What is tan? Theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta. Next, what is cot theta? Cot theta is equals to cos theta by sin theta. Fine. Okay, use this concept. Use tan theta sin divided by cos. What are the values for tan, students? What are the values? Divide sin and cos. 0 by 1 is 0. 0. Even this I told you to memorize. 0, 1 by root 3, 1, root 3, undefined. Okay, cot. After that, find cot. Yeah, tell me cot value, students. What are cot values? Undefined, root 3, 1, 1 by root 3 and 0. Okay, what are the reciprocal values? Left hand side we have all these are reciprocal. What is the reciprocal for sine? Sine theta is equals to 1 by. Am I audible to all? Why are not responding? Why is nobody responding? What is sine theta reciprocal of sine? 1 by cosec theta. What is cos theta?
1 by sec theta.
Look at the left hand side. All this are reciprocal relation. 1 by what?
Sec theta.
Sec theta. Now, if you want to find sec value, reciprocate this cos value. What is 1? If you reciprocate, what do you get? 1. Root 3 by 2. What is the reciprocation of root 3 by 2? 2 by root 3. Then what's the reciprocal of 1 by root 2? Root 2. Next, 2. Then undefined. Complete. So today only formulas. Tomorrow we'll solve. And Saturday, Sunday, Monday no class. Again we'll continue on. When does the school reopen? Tuesday, right? You told me on 15th. 15th is on 15th or 14th?
14th.
Okay, Tuesday. So tomorrow I'll conduct Saturday, Sunday, Monday. All 3 days holiday. Fine. Cosec undefined 2 root 2 root 2 by root 3 1. All of you understood how to do the table, write the values?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so memorize sine and tan, students. If you know sine and tan, that is enough. Then we have reciprocal value. I've got reciprocal. Now tell me all the formulas. What is sine theta perpendicular by? What is sine? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. What is cos theta? Base by and tan. What is tan? Perpendicular by
Perpendicular by
base. Remember this in order: sine, cos, tan, cot. The other things will be just the reciprocal values. You should know the logic. Reciprocal values. Okay, what is cot, students? What is the reciprocal of tan? Cot will be base by perpendicular. Next, what is sec theta? Hypotenuse by sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. What is cosec? Perpendicular. So we know table. This is reciprocal value. Then ratio, trigonometry ratio values. Then we know reciprocal. Next, complementary concept. Complementary. See, for reciprocal, we check the right hand side, left hand side values, right? For reciprocal, we check the left hand side. For example, if they ask you cot 42 degrees, what is the reciprocal of cot 42? First, tell me the reciprocal of cot. How will you write? 1 by? What's the reciprocal of cot, students? Reciprocal of cot is 1 by tan 42. Look, for reciprocal, we don't change any values. Remember this, for reciprocal, 42 and 42, the degrees will remain the same. We don't change any value, degree will remain the same. Next, complementary angle. For complementary, the value will change. The formula is sine theta is equals to right hand side. You have to compare the right hand side value like this. Sine and cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Okay, look at the right hand side and tell me for sine, what should I write? Sine theta is equals to, what is the complementary of sine? It is cos. Then here there is a formula. Instead of theta, what you have to write? 90 minus theta. So sine theta is equals to what? Cos 90 minus theta. Next, if I ask you all cosec, what is cosec theta? Look at the right hand side. Cosec complementary is sec. Sec what? 90 minus theta. So here, how do you apply this concept? The concept is cosec 52 degrees. If they ask cosec 52, that is sec 90 minus what is given here? 90 minus 52. Or sometimes they'll ask you sine. What is sine 90 minus 40 degrees? Okay. What is the complementary for sine, students? What's the complementary for sine? Cos. And what's that angle here? This angle you have to write. What's the angle? 40 degrees. So sine 90 minus theta is 40. Can you see here? The second angle, we are writing theta and theta is same, right? The second value is same. Correct? So this is complementary relation. Any doubts in this reciprocal complementary tables? See, tomorrow we'll be solving the question, students. Do you have any doubts in this? These topics?
No, sir.
No, right? Okay, then if you all know this, the word problem is also easy. Fine. Another 5 minutes, we'll solve 1 or 2 questions now. Somewhat similar to this, they are given a question like this. Where is that? 3. Like this. I think this is the question they are given. Sec theta is equals to 13 by 5, and you have to show that show that 2 sin theta minus 3 cos theta divided by 4 sin theta minus 9 cos theta is equals to 3. Yeah, this is the question they had given, students, for your exam. This is what they have asked. Okay, how do you solve this question? If you want to find the sin and cos value, right hand side, if you want to prove, what are the values you have to find? What are the values we find? Sin, cos, right? What is the formula for sin? Tell me the formula for sin. Perpendicular by, and for cos, base by hypotenuse, divided by, what is sin again? Perpendicular by hypotenuse minus. So we need perpendicular base and hypotenuse, students. We need perpendicular base and hypotenuse. Now let's take the sec formula. What is sec? Formula for sec? Sec is reciprocal to which one? Sec is reciprocal to cos. What is cos formula? What is cos? Cos. I'm asking cos. What is sec? Hypotenuse by base. First step. In place of sec theta, apply hypotenuse by base. Now compare this. What is hypotenuse value? What is hypotenuse value? 13. What is base? 5. What is the formula we use, students, to find perpendicular? H square is equals to p square plus b square. Use this formula, you get 13 square is equals to p square plus b square is 5 square. Fine. Use this formula, you'll get the value of p. Once you get value of p, you'll have p value, b and h. B is given 5, h is already given 13. Substitute here and you have to prove. Will you try this for homework? Will you complete it later?
Yes.
Okay, I'll mark few questions. Look here. Try this 13th one, which I explained. Now 13th question and this angle. 4th one. All of you will mark the questions. Tomorrow, before attending tomorrow's class, you'll have to submit. Is Delicia online? Ananya, Delicia, Island, Bhargavi, mark these questions, students. Fourth main. 13th main. Did you all mark? 4th and 13th?
Yes.
Okay. You all remember how to solve the 4th main? Pythagoras theorem?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 413, enough. 2 questions enough in that main. 20b. In 20b, I want you all to solve one question. First main, just try first main, second question. Total 3 questions for homework. First main, second one. Okay. So fourth one, fourth main, 13th main. First exercise. In second exercise, 20b, first main, second question. Just substitute the values. Sin 45, cos 35, substitute the values and write.
Okay, sir.
Made a note of this? Try even the students. Try even the third main, second one. Third main, second one. First main, second. Third main, second. Enough. Remaining, we'll revise it tomorrow. So total 4 questions. First main, second, third main, second. Okay. Yeah, complete and send it. And tomorrow, I want you all to attend a bit early. 11 o'clock. Can you attend at 11 tomorrow? Yeah, tomorrow one day I want you all to attend a bit early, 11 o'clock. Then again on Tuesday. 3 days holiday, again on Tuesday. Okay. Fine. Attend at 11 o'clock tomorrow. 11 to 12 I'll conduct.
Okay, sir.
Okay, all can leave. That's it for today. You all can leave.
Good afternoon.
Yes, bye students. All can leave.